the first time I'm shooting from my new camera, so a little bit of footage is out of focus. Please, first ever vlog yaar. माफ कर देना.
You know what she said just now?
What?
She said thanks. Oh my god.
You can legit pass out.
Oh
with this.
my
I'm
god.
not- Flowers. You know, yeah.
I was not conscious. I'm done being conscious. Okay, talk. Hold this camera and talk to the camera.
What?
Cool, do it. This is what I'm doing.
No, it's fine. You like it.
Hey guys, this is Akanksha. Okay, wait a minute. Hey guys, this is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this is the first time actually I'm shooting with my Canon G7X. उसका unboxing actually मैंने आज ही upload किया है. आज क्या डेट हो रही है सोनिका? 5th September को मैंने upload किया है and I was so excited to shoot like a proper vlog from it. Again, I have to stop looking at the screen. This is so damn annoying. So yeah, so we are just going out simply to like roam around a little bit. We wanted to buy something for our house and she wanted to buy something for herself. So yeah, we are going out right now. Lamp light on ho rakhi hai. So this is the tube light. Oh my god, I'm in love with this camera. Just look at it. Super extremely happy. So yeah, we'll show you what we are wearing right now क्योंकि TN तो बनता ही है. Wait. So this is what we are wearing right now. So I'm wearing her sweater. ये कहाँ से खरीदा था आपने? Lifestyle से, right? Fame Forever का है. So I'm wearing this yellow sweater, blue jeans. This one is from Levi's and shoes from Mango and this bag is from Aldo and this band is from H&M. Okay, enough of information. And Sonika, क्या पहना आपने? चलो बताओ. अरे शर्मा तो बताओ. So
I'm wearing denim jacket from Zara.
Top is from Lifestyle, right?
Yeah,
Only Lifestyle and jeans is from
H&M
and shoes are from Myntra. Roadster Myntra. And yeah, we are wearing same headband. Both of these are from H&M. And yeah, we are very excited to shop basically because it's been so long. So long. Okay, मेरा कपड़ा भी ले जाओ आप नीचे साथ में. Oh my god. So yeah, we are very excited and budget नहीं था तो हम ऑटो में जा रहे इतना सच के क्योंकि यार कैब बहुत expensive थी. And by the way, we are going to MG Road, Church Street, Bangalore. If you don't know where I belong to Bangalore, guys. Not exactly, temporarily. So yeah, let's take you guys with us to MG Road. कैसा लग रहा है सोनिका अपनी पुरानी गलियों को देख के?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और बंगला. ये जो लोकेशन थी ये कृष्णा ने दी है.
हाँ, ये लोकेशन कृष्णा ने दी है और खुद नहीं आया. What's wrong with you, कृष्णा? छोरियों को वेट कराते हुए शर्म नहीं आती?
वेटिंग.
थोड़ी देर में people will start looking at me like ये बंदी लाइफ में करना क्या चाह रही है. Shoes are also same, mask is same, headband is same, and the boy is here. Put down the glass.
Sit fast.
Fine. Yeah, these are my only intentions. अरे रुको, वो कुछ कह रही है. बोलो क्या कह रही हो?
मैं बोल रही थी कि जैकेट
उतार के क्लिक कर सकते हो. कर रहे हैं? बेचारी सोच रही है, स्टिल प्रोसेसिंग.
चलो भूख लग रही है अभी कुछ नहीं.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है.
Very.
Why it's making noise?
Because somebody would have tried to steal it and then it just came out.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's how it works.
Show where this.
That is-
It's important.
अरे यार पहन रही हूँ, पकड़ो ना एक मिनट.
Wear the mask
Yeah,
at all times.
I don't know you.
I just gave you content. Take this.
I just
At all times. Just wear the mask at all times. Okay?
gave up, Krishna.
I just gave you free content, man. You should be paying me for this.
Yeah.
So we are going to Brick Oven. This place it's very nice apparently. Brick Oven में takeaway है क्या बस? Shit. नहीं अपन वहीं चलते जहाँ पे last time we went we had that huge burger, right?
Are you sure you didn't like that food? That food is not so good. Also.
This Hard Rock Cafe looks so fancy. It's not allowed to shoot here, guys. But I just wanted to show you that we finished everything, but we couldn't finish their rolls. This is like too much masala, so I just gave up. He to cleaned his plate. And Sonika इतना जल्दी खा ली कि सब फिनिश ही कर दिया सबसे पहले. भूखी. It's all okay, so we are done with our, oh my god, stop. Okay, it's an ambulance. Okay, let's not say that. So we are done with our dinner. I look very weird holding camera, crossing the line. Fine, done. It feels so good, नहीं? मतलब हफ्ते भर कुत्ते टाइप काम करके.
कुत्तों का दिन नहीं होता.
कुत्तों का कोई दिन नहीं होता. Food was good actually, but पता नहीं क्यों I don't prefer eating out. Like I still eat out, but I don't know. हमेशा कभी भी मैं बाहर खाती हूँ, मेरा पेट को कुछ तो भी हो जाता है. This street looks so good, dude. I think so. This is the one I ate. तो ये वाला दे दो. हाँ, बाकी दोनों दे देते. कहाँ हैं?
ये चीज़ दे मम्मा.
I should give it to the baby, right? इसको पहले close करो ना. Close करो.
Kanksha doing social service. Finally. Because she never does anything. She's so
I think
narcissistic.
so बाहर बंद होगा.
She's
कुछ
so
भी बोल रहे हो.
narcissistic. She's so obsessed with herself. She hardly does things for poor people.
घर जाके हम खाते. इसका सर. Thank you. You know what she said just now?
What?
She said thanks.
Hey, come on, man. This is Bangalore.
Excuse me? Like this Church Street, yeah, it's very fancy. That's why all these photographers, they come here to shoot. So we are at this very fancy shop. It's like Miniso, but it's Korean. What it is?
It's Ilahui.
Ilahui. So yeah, and it's not Chinese, it's Korean. And they have very cute stuff. Wait, I'll show you.
It's really comfy. I'm thinking if I should invest on this.
Yeah, you can.
Because it's super
While
comfy.
driving also, I think so you can wear
While
it.
driving, yeah, in the car. I can keep it in the car, man.
Yeah, you can keep it in the car. My dad also keep it in his car only, which I gave him. Neck pillows.
अच्छा है क्या?
Yeah, it's nice. It's comfy. It is.
Really? Oh my
You
god.
can
this
legit
is-
pass out.
Oh
with this.
my
I'm
god.
not
और
kidding.
पता है,
You can
Sorted.
pass out in this.
hey, this is very nice.
How much?
कहाँ मिला है आपको? Exactly. Even I want to buy it. कितने रहा है? काफी समय लग रहा है. Did you find it?
Sorry.
But let's buy. All of us. Let's buy. Let's sit in the car like that. Hey, I'm gonna so travel with this now.
570.
What do you think? Is it okay or is it bad?
I'm back.
पहन के तो देखो.
Yeah, wear it, no?
ये पीछे को जा रहा है. They don't have this.
They don't have the eye. Where is the eye?
आई इज देयर. वैसे भी आप टिकोगे, ठीक है? अगर इसको लगाओगे तो आप टिकोगे इसके पीछे. वो हम नहीं खरीद रहे. Shit, हम नहीं खरीद रहे. Let's see what else we have. There are footwears. There are these fancy things. There is this really cute stuff around. Look at my hair. Oh my god, they are everywhere. Sonika found something.
कुछ रखने के लिए सामान भी आ जाएगा. Fine है.
अच्छा लग रहा है क्या आपको? इसमें से कोई भी एक कलर आप उठा सकते हो. Do you want to buy this?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy this.
Buy more of these. This is a one-time use thing, okay? You can't like
I know, I'll see
apply
how it
mask and keep it for some time. It'll hydrate your skin. Cool.
Do you want to buy something?
I want to buy that thing. This.
Flowers. You know, yeah. Are you?
चलो सोनिका. अरे क्यों ले लिया उनसे? Okay, so what all we bought? What's wrong with me?
So today we bought a clarifying charcoal face mask for me
Okay.
because I couldn't afford anything else.
And you know what happened is, so they said yes for me to vlog, right? Usually store
Yeah,
people they
yeah.
don't allow. So we were like कि चलो यार courtesy के लिए कुछ तो खरीद लेते थे. I was not conscious. I'm done being conscious. Okay, hold this camera and talk to the camera.
What?
Cool, do it. This is what I'm doing.
No, it's fine. You can like it.
Stand.
See something for the vlog for your Karnataka fans. For the fans in Karnataka, something in Kannada.
Udaitu. Like I had food, right?
Yes,
This is what it meant. So see,
Correct.
I understand.
Like, share, subscribe, Madi.
Like, share and subscribe माड़ी guys. माड़ी guys.
मारी गाइस.
माड़ी guys. सोनिका, आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं?
नहीं कुछ
आपका काम तो हो नहीं पाया तो अभी हम वापस आएंगे. सोनिका just ignored me. Stop ignoring.
हाँ मैं दिख रही हूँ उसमें.
आप दिख रहे हो उसमें, आपको नहीं दिख रहे हो लेकिन आप दिख रहे हो उसमें. एंड दिस इज फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर आउट फ्रॉम बैंगलोर गाइज. देयर इज दिस प्लेस कॉल्ड चर्च स्ट्रीट जहाँ पे अभी हम खाना खाने गए थे, लाइक हार्ड रॉक कैफे एंड दैट लेन. इट हैज लॉट ऑफ नाइस वॉल ग्राफिटी वॉल्स. So if you come to Bangalore, if you are thinking where to go and click nice pictures, then you can come to this place. This place has amazing vibe, good street, good trees, good buildings, and the road are also very antique, and yeah, it's clean as well. So it's very nice. So if you want to, and Bangalore people also, if someday you want to get, you know, clicked like nice and properly dressed up, so you can come here. Mostly ऐसा होता है कि जितने भी photographers अपना career start करते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि वो चर्च स्ट्रीट से ही start करते हैं. Like they call their models to the church street and they click picture here. So yeah, it's a nice place. And yeah, we are roaming around. I think so this is the time to go back home. So yeah, let's see what we are doing right now. I'll keep you guys posted. क्या कर रही हो?
Checking Insta.
This is what she does entire day.
Oh, entire day. I'm not getting time for that.
हाँ, ये बात अलग है, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, बट हाँ अगर टाइम मिल रहा है तो यही कर रही है वो. अगर मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ तो बताओ कैसे हम फैले हुए हैं. बेड पूरा मेसी है, सब मेसी है. Chichi. So yeah, we came a couple of minutes back, I think so, like 15-20 minutes back. So I'll end this vlog guys. कुछ और करने हम गए थे, कुछ और करके वापस आ गए. पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों. Actually हम गए ही लेट थे because she had Saturday working. तो काफ़ी टाइम बाद उनका काम निपटा and she was so frustrated. She was like I need to go out, so that's why we went out. But we wanted to buy something, but we ended up eating something and simply roaming around. मैंने ट्यूब लाइट्स बंद कर दी हैं, मैंने येलो लाइट्स ऑन कर दी हैं because these are the best lights guys. So yeah, I'll end this vlog here. I hope you like it. अगर इस vlog में अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स मिलते हैं या फिर okay रिस्पॉन्स मिलते हैं, so I'll shoot more vlogs. Basically this is the reason why I bought this camera, so that I can vlog. So that's the plan for now. What is she up to? So yeah guys, I hope you like it. Give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on social media, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Cheers.